everyone, this is Nora, and I took part on a collaboration made possible by Judy from Judinka Nail Art here on YouTube, where she got a few of us girls together, and here you're seeing a quick preview of their nails. And the theme for this collab was Splash of Color. And this was my design right here. This is what I came up with. The challenge was to use 5 different colors, and the design was, she totally left it up to us as to what we wanted to come up with, as long as we used 5 colors. So I am going to leave you with the rest of the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I will have links to all the other girls down in the description bar below, so don't forget to go check them out and check out their tutorials, see how they created their beautiful designs. Thank you, Judy, for making this collaboration possible. I hope you guys give my video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video.
I'm looking for mercy. Have you seen her with diamonds in the sky? Between the days we'll never die. So come and fade into the sun. Let me believe that I am the one. Can't see the future, I'm walking backwards. There's no dead ends if you fly. I ain't looking for nothing, but have you seen her with diamonds in the sky? Between the days we'll never die.